Myself, Dr. R. Sanap, Head and Associate Professor, Department of Botany, Rao Bahadur Narayan Rao Borawke College, Rampur. Today, I am going to deliver the lecture on the drug adulteration. It is the part of syllabus of TY BSc Botany, paper 4th, that is BO 344, and title of the paper is the Medicinal and Economic Botany. So in this medicinal botany, so the drugs are studied. These drugs, crude drugs, these are the drugs obtained from the plants, animals, or the mineral origin, and they are used coarsely or in raw condition without isolation of the active principles or its chemical constituents, and thus these are commonly called as the crude drugs. Many times these crude drugs, they may be adulterated. First, let us see what is by drug adulteration. So this drug adulteration, it is nothing but the substituting original crude drugs by addition of the different types of the inferior quality drugs. So here, these crude drugs, they are adulterated and the degradation of the original crude drug is carried out. Simply this adulteration, drug adulteration, it is nothing but the degradation of the original crude drug by substituting the original crude drug. So why these crude drugs are adulterated? So here, if we see this drug adulteration, it is carried out by different ways. So it is adulterated due to this scarcity of the drugs. Scarcity. So many times these crude drugs, their prices are higher, they are costly, and many times there is the shortage of that crude drugs. This crude drug may be from the plant or animal or mineral origin, they are not found in the much quantity. So at that time, these crude drugs, due to its scarcity, the crude drugs are adulterated, its quantity is this quantity, it is by adding the substitute crude drugs, the quantity is enhanced. Second thing is that this adulteration, it is carried out due to its high prices. So many times, if we see these crude drugs found in the nature from the different origin, if they are found in the short quantity, there is scarcity, automatically their prices are found in higher condition. So due to this, as their high prices, this drug adulteration is carried out, and thus all these things, these are done deliberately or purposely. Drug adulteration is carried out deliberately, means purposely. So to increase the quantity of that drug, to get the money by adding this inferior matter, and so this crude drugs, they are adulterated deliberately or purposely. And sometimes these crude drugs, they may get adulterated accidentally. So by accident, this crude drug, they get adulterated. So they are in this condition, this crude drugs not adulterated deliberately, purposely, but by accident or accidentally they get adulterated. There is no any purpose to adulterate that crude drug. So thus here, these crude drugs, they may get adulterated by different ways. Now let us see what type of adulterants. Let us see types of adulterants. What type of adulterants they are added, maybe deliberately or maybe accidentally, and these crude drugs, they get adulterated. So first thing is that these crude drugs, they get adulterated by the substitution of substandard varieties. Many times these crude drugs may be of plant, animal or mineral origin. In the original crude drug, substandard varieties or inferior quality varieties of crude drugs, they are taken and they are added in the original crude drug, and thus its adulteration is carried out. Sometimes the inferior variety, so we know that there are different types of this food material or maybe the different types of these crude drugs. They are present in the market. They are having the different types of gradation, high quality, middle quality, low quality, inferior quality, and so on. So if suppose that crude drugs, they are costly, sometimes if there is a scarcity of that crude drug, then due to these reasons, the inferior quality, low quality crude drugs, they are taken and they are added in the original crude drug, which drugs are of high quality, and thus adulteration is carried out. Sometimes these crude drugs, these are adulterated by artificially manufactured material. So many times in the original herbal crude drug, different types of artificially manufactured materials are added, and these artificially manufactured materials, they are very cheap, and yet they are cheap, but they are of no use. Sometimes they are toxic or harmful, and such type of artificially manufactured materials, they are added in the crude drug and the drug adulteration is carried out. So thus here, such type of different types of adulterants, they are added and the crude drugs are adulterated. Now let us see about the different types of the adulterants found in the market. So here there are different types of adulterants found in the market, and in the different types of these crude drugs, these are added and its adulteration is carried out. So first is by adding the substandard varieties. So here When these different types of crude drugs they are used, which are of high quality, good quality, original one. So in that crude drug, here the substandard means low quality commercial crude drugs they are taken and they are added in the original good quality crude drug. So thus here in the market there are so many low quality commercial drugs they get available which are very cheaper, and these crude drugs they are taken and they are added in the high quality or good quality or original drugs, and the drug adulteration is carried out. Then second is superficially similar inferior quality crude drugs. Many times, so in the market, if we see the different types of the crude drugs, they look like similar to the original one. That crude drug originally or superficially they look like the original one. Such types of these crude drugs are taken which are of inferior quality and they are added in the good quality or original crude drug, and thus its adulteration is carried out. So thus here superficially similar inferior quality crude drugs they are added and the adulteration is carried out. Then third one is the artificially manufactured materials. Actually, these are not the drugs, but the artificially manufactured materials are taken which looks like the original crude drug. So such type of matter, such type of materials, they are taken. Actually, these materials, they are very cheaper in the market and they can get available easily. So such type of materials they are taken and they are added in the original crude drugs, and thus the drug adulteration is carried out. Fourth one is the exhausted crude drugs. Exhausted crude drugs. Now here, these exhausted crude drugs, these are nothing but from the original drugs, these drugs these are exhausted. So this exhausted crude drugs, so it is generally very applicable in the drugs like the clove, phenyl, coriander, caraway, etc. So from these drugs the volatile oil is extracted. So generally the drugs from which the drugs in which the volatile oil is present, its value is due to the presence of that volatile oil. And if from such type of drugs like the clove, then phenyl, coriander, caraway, so if from such type of drugs its volatile oil is extracted, then that crude drug, after the extraction of the volatile oil, that crude drug they remains as it is. They look like the similar crude drug, but its oil is extracted, actually it is of no value, but that drug, it look after the extraction, it looks like the original drug. So such type of exhausted crude drugs after the extraction of oil, they are again mixed in the original good quality drugs, and thus its quantity is increased. Suppose there is a presence of 1 kilogram clove or maybe the phenyl or coriander, and if the drugs they are exhausted, it means if the volatile oil is extracted from that drug, from it that oil is it get available like the clove oil, phenyl oil and so on. So this oil will get the value, will get the money in the market, and actually after the extraction of that oil, that drug which left behind, they are called as the exhausted drug. Actually it is of no use, actually we have to throw it. But such type of drug again they are taken and they are added, suppose in another 1 kilogram original crude drug, actually its volume increases, that person it will get money. So thus here by this way these crude drugs, exhausted crude drugs, they are used for the adulteration. So it is very commonly found in such type of drugs from which the volatile oil is extracted. Many times the synthetic chemicals are added. Synthetic chemicals. So these synthetic chemicals, they are added to enhance the natural character. Many times, sometimes if some drugs they are sweet in taste, sometimes the synthetic materials, synthetic chemicals they are used. Suppose some drugs they are having the specific color, then synthetic color is added so that that drug its quality which seems to be the enhanced, actually its quality it does not get enhanced, but due to the color that drug it looks the original one, actually quality it is degraded. So thus here the different types of chemicals, it may be the chemical content or maybe the color, synthetic chemical, these colors they may be used to enhance the natural drug. Sometimes vegetative matter of the original crude drug they are added and the adulteration is carried out. Say for example, in case of the phenyl or clove. So in clove, if we see actually this clove, it is nothing but actually these are the buds of the clove. So it shows the presence of the part of the flower, that is the stalk of the flower, that is the pedicel part, floral part. Its parts they are taken, floral parts they are taken and they are added, and this part it look like actually the part of the clove. Many person they says that actually it is the cut part of the clove, but actually it is not the part of the clove, but it is the vegetative matter, maybe the stem part, maybe the floral part, that is the pedicel, leaf part, that is the petiole part of the leaf. So it seems to be the clove, and so such type of vegetative matter it is added and the drug adulteration is carried out. Sometimes the harmful adulterants are added and the drug adulteration is carried out. Harmful adulterants. So many times from the market, the waste matter, it is collected. Actually, it is the waste, but it is collected and it is added in the original drug, and thus the drug adulteration is carried out. Actually, it is harmful for the health, but till some persons, they collect it to increase the quantity and degrading the original crude drug, the adulteration is carried out to get the money. So here the adulteration, it is also carried out by adding the different types of powder. Adulterating the powders in case of the powdered drugs. Many times the drugs, they are found in the powdered form. So drugs, they are grinded into the powder. Powders are prepared, and many times in this original drugs, that is drug powder, the other inferior quality or low quality crude drug powder, it is taken, it is added, and thus the adulteration is carried out. So in case of these powdered drugs, so the adulteration, it is frequently carried out because different types of powders, they can get available in the market, and so when that powder, it is added in the original crude drug, so immediately we cannot detect it whether it is adulterated or original one, and that's why here this powdered drugs, they get adulterated many times frequently. So thus here these are the different types of adulterants found in the market, and they are commonly, that is original crude drugs, they are commonly adulterated. So thus here this adulteration, it is carried out purposely, that is deliberately, sometimes to get the more money, so due to the scarcity of crude drug, and sometimes these crude drugs, they are get addicted, these crude drugs, they get adulterated accidentally. So that's here, this is about the drug adulteration and types of adulterants and different types of adulterants which are present in the market, and how these crude drugs, they are adulterated by adding these substitutes for increasing the quantity and to get the more money by many people. So this is about the drug adulteration. Now here I am going to conclude. Thank you very much.